Yo, this is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. Today's episode, I'm gonna unbox a hair trimmer from Brdclip. So this is the Brdclip with the model number BRD109. So as you can see, and specs got 7,700 RPMs, 1,200 milliamp battery. Okay, charging time 2 hours. Runtime 180 minutes, which is not bad, okay? But is the trimmer also good? That's the biggest question. That's the biggest question. Okay, so stay tuned, man. And this is it. Box looks like this. BRD109 hair trimmer. Okay. The side, nothing special. And the back. So different languages and the specs. Like I said before, 7,700 RPMs, 1,200 milliamp battery, 2.5 hours charging time, and 180 minutes operating time. And the other side. Okay. Yup. So now let's open it. Inside comes with a charging dock, which is not. It is really lightweight. It's good. Not bad. Okay, some guide combs, as you can see, and yeah. It's not a USB-C. Okay, it's not a USB-C. That's it. This is the hair trimmer. But here got USB-C. Okay, normal charging port and a USB-C, which is good. Okay, here. The clip. You cannot zero gap this blade. I mean, you cannot gap it. That's what I mean. I don't mean 0, but you cannot gap it. I never test a cycle blade, if maybe cycle blade will fit direct to this hair trimmer or Babyliss blade. So it's somehow zero gapped. Not? Yeah, it's somehow zero gapped. So you can see. But it's not sharp enough. So this blade, if you buy this hair trimmer, you need to change the blade. So now let's make a sound check. Okay. Just one speed. So if you want to get a sharp S lines, you need to change this blade, you know. It's not sharp enough, you know. So that's it for the unboxing of this Brdclip 109, and peace, man.